Looking to extend your RGB LED lighting or fans without hassle? The Micro Connector's 30cm RGB extension cable is designed to give you the freedom to place your lighting exactly where you want it, no compromises. Whether you're syncing fans or LED strips, this cable lets you stretch your setup effortlessly while keeping everything perfectly connected and vibrant. I've tried plenty of RGB extension cables, but this one stands out because it's made from flexible PVC that bends easily, making installation in tight spaces smooth and frustration-free. Plus, it's compatible with both 4-pin RGB headers and 5-pin RGBW headers, so it works seamlessly with most RGB controllers and motherboards. The package even includes male pins, so you won't have to hunt for extras when setting up your system. In my own build, it was the perfect length to connect my CPU fan to the main RGB controller, syncing it flawlessly with the rest of my fans. The cable's quality is evident, with brass pins and a solid 3A current rating ensuring reliable performance without signal loss or flickering. If you're serious about clean, customizable RGB lighting, this extension cable is worth a look. It supports popular LED strip types like 5050 and 3528, so you can extend your light strips or fans without worrying about compatibility. The 30cm length hits a sweet spot, long enough to give you flexibility but short enough to avoid clutter. Ready to upgrade your RGB setup? Try the Micro Connector's 30cm RGB extension cable when you're ready to get your lighting exactly where it belongs.